Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Very warm welcome to you all as I am taking your class after a long time. I am very happy to see you all in my list. Thank you so much. Now we should start the lecture. So we are having a very, you can say, uh, some students in the list, but it's okay. They will be coming. जैसे जैसे आते जाएंगे they will be joining us. Okay. Now we should come to the point and come to the lecture. This is our English language class and I'm your English teacher Sidra. Today we are going to have a lecture about the comprehension, as you all are having your own comprehension book. Okay, आपके पास comprehension worksheet की एक book है, ठीक है? This kind of page you can see. Okay, this is the top page of your book. I hope you all are having this book. Kindly take out this book and open page what I will be telling you. Okay. Yes. Hopefully you have solved some of the comprehension passages from this book, maybe. Okay. And today I have selected a topic of winter. Okay, this is comprehension passage number 9. Can anybody tell me that have you all done this, or we should start doing about that? Can anybody tell me about this? Mehdi, can you tell me about this passage? Have you all done? Who will tell me about
teacher.
No. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. So we should start doing something change about today's weather. है ना? We are having a very hot days nowadays, and it's very difficult to have take classes for us, for the teachers to come to school. So it is a different topic about today's atmosphere. Okay, as we are having some hot days, रोजे भी हैं, and we feel so much need of water plus food, a very long days in summers. This is the very crucial time for us, as we are also having the coronavirus, a dangerous virus problem in our whole world. You can say not in the Pakistan only, in the whole world. Actually, the countries like Pakistan, they are we can say that the safest countries right now. Okay, जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हालात खराब नहीं है, but they are getting worse. Obviously, हर जगह के हालात बद से बदतर होते जा रहे हैं, but we are still safe. It means that we should thank God. Okay, so now we should change our mind for some time. At least ये 40 minutes का जो lecture है, for only for this 40 minutes, we can change our minds from summer to winter, है ना? थोड़ा सा enjoy कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा हम अपने winter, अपने minds को refresh कर सकते हैं after thinking about this winter time. ठीक है? So this is the very, you can say, interesting and informative topic for us. I hope you all are having your books, and it is page number 17. Okay, I want you all to open this book, page number 17. Okay, you have to solve the answers. You have to solve this passage, comprehension passage, at the next page of page number 18. You will be having 1 till 10 questions. ठीक है, सबके पास ये questions होंगे. So now I'm going to start. अच्छा, who will read it? Yes, Abdul Samad, can you start reading? Abdul Samad, can you start reading? Page number 17, the topic is winter, comprehension number 9. Acha, okay, Samiha. Yes, Samiha? Yes.
Yes, teacher.
A bit louder.
Winter
okay, थोड़ा सा loudly. Yes.
Winter is the best season of the year. During the winter months, temperatures are usually colder and there are fewer hours of daylight. The winter months start after autumn when leaves of trees fall off.
Yes. Just wait.
Cold.
Just wait. First, I'll explain this. Okay, then you will read more. Yes, what we have read just now, like Samiha has told us that winter is the best season of the year. Okay, mostly people enjoy the winter season. Okay, summers को बहुत कम लोग enjoy करते हैं, but winter is the most enjoyable season. This is the best season of the year, of the whole year. During winter months, temperature are usually colder and there are fewer hours of daylight. Means the temperature gets down, it becomes lower and lower time to time according to the country weather also. Okay, in Pakistan the winter is only for 2-3 months it comes and it is not very cold. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा cold तो नहीं होता ना पाकिस्तान में. It is, you can say it is colder than the other as compared to the other countries, but we are having so many other countries which can see the snowfall, which can play with the snow, can enjoy rains also in the winter, but we in Pakistan we cannot have these types of weather in winter. Okay, but the temperature gets colder as compared to the summers के अकॉर्ड समर से रिलेटेड अगर हम बात करें तो इन कंपैरिजन it becomes colder and there are fewer hours of daylight. कि डे लाइट का जो टाइम होता है it is very few. रातें लंबी हो जाती हैं. There are the longer nights and the shorter days. Okay, daylight का जो time period है they are very few hours for the daylight. The winter months start after autumn. Okay, जो पतझड़ का मौसम होता है जिसमें पत्ते झड़ते हैं, पत्ते गिरते हैं, उस मौसम के बाद विंटर आता है. Okay, after autumn winter season comes when leaves of trees fall off. ठीक है? Yes, maybe you start reading next paragraph.
Okay, teacher. Cold winter temperature are caused by the tilting of the earth.
Yes.
When Earth's northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, there are fewer hours of daylight and the temperature is colder. When the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun, there is more daylight time and the temperatures are warmer.
Yes, what they are saying, why this types of climates change, why the seasons change, because the earth is tilting and it is rotating and it is revolving around the sun all the time. Okay, कोई ऐसा टाइम नहीं है जिस वक्त अर्थ जो है वो घूमती ना हो. All the time earth revolves and rotates and tilts around the sun. ठीक है, सूरज के गिर्द घूमती है. When Earth's northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, जब अर्थ का नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर इट गेट्स अवे फ्रॉम द सन, जब द सन से दूर हो जाता है, देयर आर फ्यूअर आवर्स ऑफ द डे लाइट. ऑब्वियसली द सन इज फार अवे फ्रॉम द अर्थ, दैट्स व्हाई देयर विल बी some hours for the daylight. Okay, and the temperature is colder because the sun is very far away from the earth. Okay, the northern hemisphere is all dependent on the tilting of the earth and this temperature of colder and higher temperature जो भी हमारा season है, summer है, winter है, autumn है या spring है, it is totally dependent upon the tilting of the earth. When the earth tilts, okay, and it gets away and far away from the sun, okay, and the northern hemisphere of the earth gets far away from the sun, then the temperature becomes lower, colder, and we have fewer hours of the daylight. Okay, and the longer time for the nights and the temperature becomes colder. When the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun, जब वो सूरज के करीब होता जाता है, towards the sun, it tilts towards the sun, it rotates and revolves. There is more daylight time because it is very near to the sun. क्योंकि वो sun से बहुत ज़्यादा close है, तो the sun impacts for the more time and the daylight becomes longer. Okay, daylight time जो है वो हमारा long हो जाता है and the temperature are warmer. Obviously जितना time day रहेगा, the day warm will be felt by us. ठीक है? Now, Abdul Samad, are you going to start reading? Abdul Samad, are you ready to read?
Miss?
You have unmuted the mic, but you are not replying me.
Miss?
Yes, Manha. You start reading first, third paragraph.
The tilting of the earth as it spins causes the seasons preparing themselves for winter. Some animals, like birds and butterflies,
Manha, we cannot hear you. Your voice is not clear. Manha, can you make your set your mic properly so that we can hear you? Yes, Umme Abiha. Umme Abiha, can you start reading?
Yes.
Yes.
The tilting of the earth as it spins causes the seasons to change. Animals have a special ways of preparing themselves for winter. Some animals, like birds and butterflies, travel long distances or migrate to warmer temperatures during the winter months. Other animals go to sleep or hibernate during the winter.
Yes.
Bears, grasshoppers, snakes, and bats hibernate. Squirrels and raccoons don't migrate or hibernate.
It's not hibernate, it's hibernate. Okay? Yes.
Hibernate. Instead, they gather extra food during the fall months and store it away so they have plenty to eat during the winter.
Yes.
In some areas, winter is a time when snow falls and gathers on the ground. People who live in these places can enjoy special winter activities like skunk,
Skiing.
skunk sledding or snowboarding.
Yes.
They can also build snowmen and snow castles. When the water in lakes and ponds freeze, people can ice skate on or play ice hockey. Some people even cut a hole in the ice and go ice fishing.
Very nice. See how much informative comprehension passages it is. Okay, and it is very interesting also for you all, for me too. Okay, now what they are saying in the third paragraph, the tilting of the earth as it spins causes the season to change. Okay, the revolving movement or the rotating movement of the earth, whether it is closer to sun, whether it is farther to the sun, when it spins, it causes the seasons to change. According to the spins of the earth or tilting of the earth, the season changes. Okay, animals have special ways of preparing themselves for winter. See, we are also having, means we are human beings, we also have some special kind of activities, special kinds of ways to be prepared for the winter. हम क्या करते हैं, अपनी blankets को dry clean करा लेते हैं, अपनी sweaters को dry clean करा लेते हैं. We also get some winter dresses, okay, or caps, gloves. They mostly for the kids, okay, they are bought every year because every year their sizes differs. Okay, हम बड़ों के तो sizes इतने ज़्यादा vary नहीं करते, but the kids, they even in your age, in all the students age, the size differs. Okay, एक साल के अंदर कपड़े छोटे हो जाते हैं, you will become your height becomes increases and your physique increases, so you have to buy, you prepare yourself for the winter in different ways. We get our blankets, we get our jackets and sweaters dry cleaned so that we can use it for the whole season. Okay, so the animals, they are also have some special kind of ways of styles to prepare themselves for winter. Okay, before winter उनको कुछ ना कुछ obviously idea तो हो जाता है ना. Animals, they are also having their senses, so according to their own senses, the special kind of animals prepare themselves for the winter. वो कैसे preparation करते हैं? Some animals like birds and butterflies travel long distances to migrate to warmer temperatures during the winter months. वो क्या करते हैं? Butterflies and birds, they when they get to know about the winter is coming, and we cannot stay in this kind of winter season, so we should travel from here. हमें क्या करना चाहिए, यहाँ से इस विंटर सीजन से ट्रैवल करके कुछ ऐसे कंट्रीज या कुछ ऐसे एरियाज फाइंड आउट करने चाहिए, सो दैट देयर वुड हैव समर सीजन राइट नाउ एंड वी कुड स्टे ओवर देयर. See, you can only see butterflies and most birds flying in the air in the summer season. Summer seasons की जो birds होती है ना, उतनी birds या उतनी amount में birds और butterflies आपको winter season में नहीं दिखेंगी, because they migrate to the warmer temperature places. वो क्या करती हैं, winters को avoid करती हैं और warmer places पे travel करने की, migrate means to travel, ठीक है, वो अपने आप को according to seasons migration के लिए, traveling के लिए ready कर लेती हैं. Other animals go to sleep, okay? Other animals, they go to sleep in their houses, in their cages, in their caves, so that they can use the whole winter season sleeping, okay? वो क्या करते हैं, warmer periods में अपने आप को इतना ज़्यादा खा पी के और अपनी फैमिली को प्रोटेक्ट करके और बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को स्टेबल कर लेते हैं, so that they can sleep the whole winter period. Okay, they can enjoy winter period, and they do enjoy winter period, but by sleeping. ठीक है, other animals go to sleep or hibernate. This is also called the hibernate. Okay, hibernate during the winter. क्या करते हैं, अपने आप को इतना ज्यादा strong कर लेते हैं, so that they can utilize the whole winter season sleeping. They don't even go out for having food. Okay, वो सब अपना बंदोबस्त करके रखते हैं. Bears, gophers, snakes, and bats hibernate. Okay, these are the special kind of animals which hibernates. Okay, bats also, they also hibernate, means they go to sleep for the whole period of winter. Squirrels and raccoons don't migrate to or hibernate, means these types of squirrels and raccoons, they don't even migrate, they don't even travel to the warmer place, and they don't even hibernate. Okay, ना वो migration करते हैं ना hibernate करते हैं. Instead, they gather extra food during the fall months and store it away, so that they have plenty to eat during the winter season. Means उनको बार-बार winter season में बाहर travel ना करना पड़े, outside अपने houses से ना निकलना पड़े. तो instead what they do, they don't even migrate, they don't hibernate. Instead of these two activities, they gather extra amount of food. Okay, वो क्या करते हैं, अपने घरों में extra amount of food they gather, they collect it in the house, so that they will not be going outside to take the food. Okay, during the fall months, जो fall months, जो summer months होता है, means जो autumn का season होता है, before the winter season, जो season चल रहा होता है, when they get to know about the winter season is coming, तो वो क्या करते हैं, they collect the extra food during the fall months and store it in their houses. वो अपने रेजिडेंशियल एरियाज में उसको स्टोर कर लेते हैं, सो दे हैव प्लेंटी टू ईट ड्यूरिंग द विंटर सीजन, और उनको बार बार अपने घरों से बाहर निकलकर विंटर सीजन में ट्रैवल ना करना पड़े, घरों से बाहर निकल के खुराक की तलाश में ना फिरना पड़े. तो दे गैदर द होल फूड फॉर द होल विंटर सीजन इन देयर हाउसेस. In some areas, winter is a time when snow falls and gathers on the ground. Okay, snow falling होती है and it spreads on the ground. People who live in these places can enjoy special winter activities like skiing, sledging, or snowboarding. These are the games of all those people who live in the areas or where the snow falls. Okay, जहाँ snow falling होती है, उन एरियाज में ये लोग इस तरह की एक्टिविटीज रखते हैं अपने पास. ओके, इवेंट्स कंप्लीटली जो है वो क्रिएट किया जाता है. They can also build snowmen and snow castles. Okay, when the water in lakes and ponds freeze, जब ponds और lakes का water freeze हो जाता है in the winter season, people can ice skate or play ice hockey. Some people even cut a hole in the ice and go ice fishing also. Okay, these are the special kinds of activities which only those people can enjoy who lives in the areas where winter is a time when snow falls. Okay, जहाँ snow falling होती है. Got it? Now, is there any problem? If you have any problem, you can raise your hands. Okay, now put your hands down. Okay, अपने hands को kindly down कर लीजिए. अब तो समझ you also, so that if you will be having any question, then you can only raise the question, your hand. Okay, जब आपके पास कोई question हो, कोई problem हो, कोई issue हो, तो आप hand raise कीजिए, so that I'll unmute you and to ask you. ठीक है, very good, शाबाश. You people are very intelligent, Very active today. Now come to the next page, page number 18. Okay, we are having some questions related to this topic of winter. Okay, this is the exercise. First you have to write your full name, the date today, and your grade, means your class, which is 4. Okay, you can also write a section in the bracket. Okay, full name, then date, and your grade with section. Now come to the exercise. Take pencils in your hands, pencils, erasers. Okay, must be in your hands, as you people are going to write the answers of these questions. Okay, you will be replying me for the questions. Okay, answer भी आप ही बताएंगे and you will be writing the answers. ठीक है? Now, I hope you all are having on the same. We are on the same boat, and we are on the page number 18. You all are having your pencils and eraser. So we should start now. The question number 1 is, when does the winter start? Okay, which season comes before winter? They are elaborating the questions. And when does the winter start? Winter कब start होता है? Yes, Mehdi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Yes, give me the answer.
The winter start after autumn.
Very good. The winter months start after autumn, when leaves
And the season that
fall off.
come before winter is autumn.
Yes, very nice. Complete. Write down the answer. Everybody write down the answer in your books. Everyone write down the answer by looking back. Line number 2. First paragraph, line number 2. The winter months start after autumn. और ब्रैकेट में क्या क्वेश्चन था? That which season comes before winter? So उसका आंसर तो हो गया ना, the winter month start after autumn, comma, when leaves of trees fall off. ठीक है? It is the more elaboration of the answer. I hope you all have written. Okay, I will be giving you 1 minute for one line. ठीक है? Keep your writing speed up. Increase it so that you will be with me during the lecture. अपनी writing speed को थोड़ा सा increase कीजिए, improve कीजिए, and your thinking power should also be increased. Okay? अपने thinking power को और अपनी power of activeness को भी जरा improve कीजिए. You should be very attentive and active. Yes. Now come to question number 2. Is there more daylight time during the summer months or winter months? Is there any difference between the summer and winter months daylight time? कुछ होता है difference या नहीं होता है? Yes, who will give me the answer except Mehdi? Mehdi ने तो एक answer दे दिया. Yes, Anshara Mansoor, can you give me the reply of this question? Anshara Mansoor, can you give me the reply of this question? That do we have different daylight time, different daylight durations in summer and winter? Yes, Manha. Manha, can you give me the answer? See, if you people will not cooperate, if you people will not participate, okay, we will not enjoy the class. आप participate करेंगे तो मुझे भी enjoy होगा, आप भी enjoy करेंगे, we will be having a good time. Yes. Yes, Manha. Reply me. Is there any difference between the daytime duration?
Yes, miss.
Yes. क्या
Miss?
difference है?
Miss, during the month of winter, the daytime is short.
Yes. And during the month of summer, the daytime is
Long.
long or longer. Very good. Very nice. No need to take out the particular or exact wording answer of the passage. Okay, आप अपनी तरफ से भी answer build up कर सकते हैं if you know, if you have understood the topic, the comprehension passage very well, so you can also make your own answers. See the question, is there more daylight time during the summer months or winter months? Yes, there is more daylight time during the summer months. देन विंटर मंथ्स. ओके, विंटर से अगर हम कंपैरिजन करें तो समर्स में मोर डे लाइट टाइम्स होते हैं. Okay, now come to question number 3. What causes the seasons to change? Very good. What a nice question. What causes the seasons to change? What is the reason for the season to change? वो क्या activity of the earth है which causes the change of season? I'm not asking the reason to cause the winter season. Okay, I'm talking about the season to change. Yes, who will give me the answer? Yes, Mehdi, you should reply me for this. Yes, Mehdi.
This Earth's hemisphere causes the seasons to change.
Okay. And in which line you are? Kahin in the paragraph, in this passage, can you find the answer? It is not about the Earth's northern hemisphere. Okay. See the third paragraph, first line. The tilting of the Earth causes the seasons.
Is when it spins, it causes the seasons to change.
Yes, very good. See, you should read the passage before solving the answers. Read the passage at least twice. Okay, her passage ko when you are going to reply, when you are going to give the answers of the passage questions, so you should read the passage at least twice. Okay, this is the standard, you can say standard style of solving comprehension ke at least passage ko 3 times read karna chahiye. Okay, if you people are having a shorter passage or time भी कम है तो at least 2 times जब तक आप read नहीं करेंगे passage को you cannot give the proper answer. ठीक है, now come to the passage number 3, the first line. The tilting of the earth causes the seasons to change. Okay, as it spins, because it spins around the sun. Okay, as earth tilts around the sun, तो वो जो tilting है उसकी जो movement है earth की, it causes the seasons to change. Okay, हम सिर्फ winter की या summer की बात नहीं कर रहे, हम all together seasons की बात करें कि seasons change क्यों होते हैं. Now come to question number 4. During the winter months, is the northern hemisphere tilted towards the sun or away from the sun? Yes. Except Mehdi, और कोई नहीं है जो आंसर दे सके, please. Yes. Savera Kamran, can you give me the reply of this question? Better raise your hand if you know the answer. Tell the others also that you know the answer. Yes, Savera? What happens in winter months? What happens with the earth northern hemisphere that causes winter season? क्या वो sun के close हो जाता है, sun से away from sun हो जाता है? What it happens?
During the winter months, the northern hemisphere is tilted toward away from the sun.
Yes, it is. It moves away from the sun. That's why the daylight time becomes shorter and the winter comes. Okay, winter का season जो आता है वो इसीलिए आता है क्योंकि हमारी जो अर्थ नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर है, it moves away from the sun. वो sun से थोड़ा सा दूर, काफी दूर हट जाती है. Yes. Come to question number 5. What does the word hibernate means? List 2 animals that hibernate. पहले तो you have to give the meaning of hibernate. What does it mean to hibernate? Who will tell me the meaning of hibernate? Yes, Seher Nadeem. You should give me the reply. Hibernate means? Yes, Seher Nadeem. Hibernate means
Miss
a bit louder, थोड़ा सा loudly बोलिए.
Hyperturn means to slip through the wind.
हाँ.
Through the wind.
I cannot understand what you are saying. दोबारा बोलिए, दोबारा complete sentence बोलिए.
Hyperturn means to slip through the wind.
Yes, hibernate means to sleep the whole winter season. Okay, hibernate means to sleep the whole winter season. And give me the name of two animals that hibernate. We can find out from this passage. वो कौन से दो animals हैं जो hibernate करते हैं? Bears, gophers, snakes and bats. Okay, you can use two names from these four. Okay, these are the four animals. You have to write down two names of those animals which hibernate. Okay. Now come to question number 6. We have less time now. Okay, only 8 minutes we have, so we have to complete this exercise. Now come to question number 6. What do squirrels and raccoons do to prepare for the winter? Yes, Abil Hassan, give me the answer of question number 6. What do squirrel and raccoons do to prepare for the winter? वो कैसे अपने आप को winter के लिए ready करती हैं? Abil Hassan, can you unmute your mic to give me the answer? Yes.
Squirrel and raccoon don't migrate or hibernate. Instead, they gather or migrate.
They gather.
Instead, they gather extra food during the fall months and store it away so they have plenty eat during the winter.
Yes, they don't migrate. Okay, like birds. They don't even hibernate like snakes and gophers and bats. What do? You have to write down the answer that squirrels and raccoons gather extra food during the fall months, okay, and store it away so they have plenty to eat during the winters. Okay, this is the simple answer. You don't have to write that they don't hibernate, they don't migrate. No, हमसे तो पूछा है कि ये करते क्या है. We don't have to give the answers कि वो क्या नहीं करते. हमें सिर्फ ये बताना है कि वो क्या करते हैं. Squirrels and raccoons gather the extra food in the fall days and utilize this food in the winter season. Okay. Now come to question number 7. What does the word migrate means? What is the meaning of migrate? Yes, Umme Abiha. What is the meaning of migrate? Yes. Migrate means क्या होती है?
Your voice is not clear.
Sorry, दोबारा बोलिए. बेटे migrate means to travel from one place to another. Okay, migrate means to travel from one place to another. ठीक है, it is the simple meaning of migration. Migrate. Now come to question number 8. Name 3 activities mentioned in the article that require a frozen pond or lake. Yes, when the pond or lake freeze. Okay, which kind of activities the people could have? See, you can see the answer over here. This one, third last line. When the water in lakes and ponds freeze, people can ice skate or play ice hockey. That's it. Okay. Now come to question number 9. Which sentence in the first paragraph is an opinion? In this first paragraph, you have to find a sentence which is an opinion. Yes, who will tell me the opinion sentence in this paragraph. Yes, Sahar Nadeem, can you give me the sentence from the first paragraph which is an opinion? जो राइटर का ओपिनियन है, जो राइटर सोचता है, ओके, उसकी नजर में दिस इज द राइट थिंग. What is the sentence of that? See the first sentence, winter is the best season of the year. Maybe so many people don't like winter. Okay, मुझे winter पसंद नहीं है. Maybe.
Miss,
Yes.
what is the question?
The question is, from this first paragraph, you have to take out a sentence which is the opinion of the writer. जिसने ये पैसेज लिखा है, उस राइटर का ओपिनियन है. वो सेंटेंस मुझे बताइए कौन सा है. We have 1, 2, 3 sentences are there. इन 3 में से वो कौन सा सेंटेंस है which is the opinion of the writer? Are you getting the question?
Yes, Miss
समझ में आ गया
Winter is the
ना?
best season.
Yes. Take out the sentence.
Miss Winter is the best season.
Yes, winter is the best
season of the year.
कि बहुत सारे लोगों को गर्मियां पसंद हो, ठीक है, तो they will not agree with this opinion of the writer. लेकिन ये सेंटेंस ओपिनियन में आता है, ठीक है. दिस इज द ओपिनियन ऑफ द राइटर. ये राइटर की नजर में ये सही है, ठीक है. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Write a short paragraph describing some things you like to do in the winter. You have to write something, 2-3 activities or 2-3 things related to the winter season. Okay, and you like this. See, Abir Hassan, what do you like in winter? Yes. Like I like to eat ice cream in the winter. मुझे बहुत पसंद है आइसक्रीम खाना विंटर में, है ना. और I like to walk outside the house. मुझे पार्क में
I like to walk in the winter season. I like to play outside in the winter season.
Very good. Which game do we play mostly? मैं बैडमिंटन बहुत ज्यादा खेलती थी when I was a child. Okay, so with my siblings I used to play badminton. Which kind of games do we play in winters? Cricket वगैरह तो नहीं इतना ज्यादा खेला जाता, I think, है ना?
Yes.
अच्छा. Okay, now Milhan Shahid, yes. What do you like in winter to do?
Miss, can you hear me?
Yes.
Miss, I cannot understand you. Your voice is so low.
Acha, what about now? Is it okay now? Can you hear me properly?
Miss, no.
No?
No.
But everybody is listening to me very properly. Nobody complains up till now. और आपने अब तक मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? It is now time to go. अब तो 1 मिनट भी नहीं है हमारे पास. Now you are telling me that you are not listening me properly. Why didn't you tell me before? Acha, okay, just leave it. We are not having so much time. Yes, Mehdi, what do you like to do in the winter season? जल्दी से 2-3 बच्चे मुझे इसका रिप्लाई दे दें, so that yes Mehdi.
I like to eat dry fruits in the winter season.
Very good. Yes, we eat peanuts, almonds, pista, and so many dry fruits in this season. Very good. Yes, Manha. What do you like to do in winter season?
I like to wear warm clothes in the winter season.
Very nice. Very good. Shabash. So you all are understood? Yes.
I like to play with the snow in the winter season.
Very good. Shabash. So it is a very nice comprehension and you people participated very well. So now this is the time to go. Inshallah, we will meet in the next class and we will do more exercises.